In principle, the SimaPro software and the database have been successfully updated after performing a ban. However, you might also still use outdated eco-event processes that are no longer supported in the newer eco-event version. For instance, you have updated to eco-event 3.7.1 while you still use several eco-event 3.6 processes that are no longer supported. For this reason, Prey created special replacement files to help you change most of these obsolete processes to the correct processes in eco-event easily and quickly. There are 3 replacement files available that allow you to switch from previous eco-event versions to newer eco-event allocation at the point of substitution library, previous eco-event versions to newer eco-event consequential library, and previous eco-event version to newer eco-event cutoff library. Please note that using the replacement file doesn't mean replacing all obsolete processes. Typically, there are quite some obsolete processes for which no replacement is available. In this case, you need to assume and decide yourselves which process will be the best replacement. Let's first proceed to updating the obsolete links using the replacement files provided by Prey. Let's assume I want to update all links from eco-event 3.6 in this test project to the newer eco-event library, eco-event 3.7.1 allocation cutoff. Go to Tools, Projects to Libraries Links Manager. This will provide an overview of all projects and libraries in your current database. Select the projects you want to change the links. Then select the eco-event libraries where you want to replace the links. In this case, I use the eco-event cutoff by classification, system and unit libraries. Next, click Scan. You will be redirected to the tab Links where you can see the overview of the links that are found. Click Import Replacements. Select the appropriate replacement file which can be found in the same update database directory. Since I use the cutoff libraries, I choose the replace EI 3.x to 3.7.1 cutoff library Excel file. The window will now be updated to show all replacements that can be found, which can be seen in the Replace Name column, while the original links are stored in the Child Name column. However, it is possible that you do not find any replacements such as shown in these empty rows. This means that in the project you selected, there is no link that can be replaced using the provided replacement files. This is where additional handling is needed by replacing those processes manually. Let's now replace some of these processes manually. Double-click the corresponding empty field in the Replace Name column. For instance, let's replace this transport process. A window will open in which you can choose an alternative link. Use the function Show as List to list all available links. Filter the links and once you have found the suitable replacement, click Select. Let's do it one more time for this heat process. We recommend you to store this overview for future reference before carrying out the actual replacement. Once you're done, click Replace. You will see a message that shows how many links are to be replaced. Click Yes to continue. You have now successfully replaced the obsolete processes from your project. Now you have done all of the required steps to update your SimaPro. You can continue to work with SimaPro as usual.